Tanisha and welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to share how you can get a free lipstick from Myglamm just by completing a simple survey. So right now I'm wearing this lipstick and it is a beautiful matte liquid lipstick that I got from Myglamm. I think most of us already know that Myglamm is a European makeup company, and you can also get this lipstick just free. You just have to complete a very easy and simple just 1 or 2 minutes of survey and you can avail this offer. So I got the box in just 1 week. So I got the lipstick in this box, and when you open this box you will get a card from Myglamm and you will get this lipstick. It is a Myglamm LIT liquid matte lipstick, and it's a 3 ml of product and it cost $3.95. okay, and the lipstick looks like this from inside. It's very basic plastic packaging and it's a clear packaging, so you can understand which shade you are getting. And when you open it, its applicator is like this. It has a butterscotch chocolatey kind of smell, and right now I'm wearing that lipstick as well. Let me tell you guys, I got this lipstick in the morning and I was wearing that lipstick the whole day. I ate, I drink a lot of water, I drink coffee, I drink tea, and the lipstick was there the whole day. I know if you eat too much oily food, it can fade away, but it fades away very beautifully and very evenly. It will not make your lips like you will have the lipstick outer corner and there will be nothing in the center. It will not be that way. Like I have applied it, and the end of the day my lipstick was still there but a little bit faded away, but it faded very beautifully and evenly, and it leaves a beautiful tint on your lips. So even if the lipstick is gone, your lip still looks pretty. Okay, and it lasts for me around 4 to 5 hours, I'll say, because I have applied it in the morning and by the evening it faded away. So yeah, it lasts 4 to 5 hours, and it will last more if you don't drink or eat or anything. By the way, I'm gonna attach the unboxing video somewhere in the screen so you can see how I'm getting and how I'm opening the box and everything. The lipstick looks like this in the artificial light, but if you want to see how it looks in the natural light, I'm gonna attach that clip as well in the screen. And you can just simply complete the survey, and for that you can do one thing. If you haven't signed in the Myglamm app, you can install it from Apple Store or Android like Play Store. I have given my referral link in the description box. You can use my referral link to sign in to the app and you will get a 150 rupees or something like that amount off for your first purchase. And I'm gonna share the survey link as well. If some of you are thinking that the survey is fake or something, you can go to Myglamm's Instagram page and they have shared the post themselves that they are giving lipstick for free. The survey is very simple. They just only ask you what kind of lipstick do you want, what kind of finish do you like, and what product do you use, and all this basic kind of questions they ask. I'm gonna attach the screen recording in the screen as well. Though it's a very simple process, you can still check it out how you should complete the survey. Myglamm has already given so many lipstick away, so don't waste any more time. Just open the description box, copy the survey link and open it on Chrome or any browser, and sign in with your Myglamm account and complete the survey. Then it will show that you have availed the free lipstick. Then you can choose according to your preferable shade, and you just have to pay the shipping charge, that is 99 rupees. I mean, you have to only pay the shipping charge and you will get a lipstick free. So you are saving around 295 rupees on this lipstick, so it's really great. And if you don't want to pay any shipping charge, you can simply order more from Myglamm and shop more, and you don't have to pay any extra shipping charge in that case. So that's all the information I wanted to share with you guys, and I hope you will get this free lipstick as well. So don't waste any more time, go hurry up. And if this video was helpful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get all the notification on time. I will try to come back super soon. Until then, please take care and be happy. Bye bye.